Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah,
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStyle family. Guys, so in the last video, we left off here in the kitchen with my kitchen island, and I told you guys we are going to be decorating my countertops. Well, I'm feeling a little under the weather, so we're not going to do that today, but I did want to share with you some sneak peeks of some things that I will be using to finish it out, because these are just so nice and so pretty, and I could not share these with you. Look how nice these glasses are. Oh my gosh, so smoky, like a smoky amber brown color. Again, I think brown is the new black. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. But I also wanted to ask you guys, do you want to see a clean and decorate with me of how I do the kitchen, or would you just rather see the kitchen all decorated and I go around the kitchen and talk about how I put the space together? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Do you want to see a clean and decorate, or would you rather already see it decorated and then I talk to you about my thoughts and how it all came together? So leave me a comment down below, let me know. But again, let's talk about these glasses. So I got a new item. These glasses are so pretty. They have that amber brown color. They came from Target. I love the ribbed detail. And I thought these would look really nice paired with this table setting here on the island. Just love the way that looks. I love how it looks with the floral arrangement we created. Sorry for that little glare there, but I just think it looks so nice, so moody and perfect for fall. And in addition, remember those glasses I showed you from Walmart? So I thought I ordered like 2 of these. And I didn't know the glasses had this, looks like a silver, or maybe that's just the glare from the way, the angle of how the photo was taken. I'm gonna try to open this up. Or I can do it with one hand, maybe not, hold on. All right, so here's the little glass. Oh my gosh, it's so cute too. So the initial plan was to put these 2 glasses together for a place setting. I like that, but I don't know, I love the amber and the smoked glass better. So take this away. Yeah, I just love that better. I still love these glasses though. I'm glad I picked them up, and they were very affordable. I'm going to say they were like $24 for 4. So a little over $5 a piece, and they look so high end. Something that you would see from Crate and Barrel or CB2. So we have those. Then we have the taller wine glasses as well. I'm debating whether or not to get another set of each. We shall see. So there's that. And then when we were in Hobby Lobby, I found, so we went in looking for dish towels, and I didn't find any, unfortunately, that I liked, but I did come across these really nice pumpkins. And these are very similar to the ones from Crate and Barrel. They're not as dark, deep orange like the ones from Crate and Barrel, but I think the smaller one from Crate and Barrel was like $55, and the larger one was like $75. I'm not paying that much for pumpkins. I don't love pumpkins that much. However, these were $17, 40% off, and $13, I think. 40% off. Altogether, these were less than $35 up together combined. So I thought that was a great deal. It has a lighter, it's like a light brown or a beigey tone, if you could see that. So I thought that looked really, really nice, and I can see a candle underneath it. And then we have this one as well. As a matter of fact, I wish I had some batteries. Those candles take C batteries, and I don't have any, or else I would put a candle under here, but I think I might have a candle. Let's see if I can find one. All right, I just have this candle that I picked up from Amazon, but we can see the effect with it. Will it fit inside? No, it won't. The opening is so small, so we have to find another candle, darn it. Well, back to the drawing board and the candle, but anyway, I think these are so, so pretty, so I love that. And then, remember this tray that we picked up while thrifting? It has that brassy gold detail. It looks so, so perfect. Well, I saw this on Target's website when I was looking at the amber colored glasses, and I thought, hey, this would be perfect to style here in the kitchen. I could put my cookbooks, just see over there on it, and we could do like, or a faux DIY book to bring in the brown tones. You see the little pair over there? I set it over there to see how it would look. We spray painted it that brassy color. But yeah, so these are the items. I am going to decorate the kitchen. I've been a little not feeling so great, so I don't want to create a video and decorate not feeling well, but I did want to give you a sneak peek of some items that I picked up. So that is the plan and the vision. So if you want to see how it's all going to turn out, make sure you come back, because that will be the video going up hopefully Saturday or Sunday. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these finds. I did want to share with you this change that I made here in the entryway. I remember these vases. They came from Z Gallery earlier this year. I absolutely love them. They make a statement here on this wall. And so I just went ahead and put them here, and I put in our florals that we got from Hobby Lobby. I think these are so pretty. I love the warm coppery brown tones mixed with the black. Is brown the new black for fall? I feel like it is. I feel like everyone is decorating with brown for fall. Brown and mauve tones. Which I'm here for. I absolutely love it. You guys know I am not a fan of color, but I just love how this color pops against my black wall and the black vases. So perfect for fall, so warm, so moody. So yeah, I am not finished here decorating this space, but I thought I would go ahead and share this with you since we are not doing the kitchen today, to give you a sneak peek too of how this area is looking. And remember how that area looked. So everything is coming together. It's flowing, so you can get a little bit, in case you missed that last video. That's how that looks. And then you turn in and you go over here, and that's how this looks. So nice. So yeah, make sure you come back, because when I'm feeling better, we'll continue decorating. But yeah, just wanted to give you a sneak peek of the entryway space, or the hallway. Yeah, so if this little sneak peek has inspired you so far and you love the mood that I'm trying to create here in my home and you want to see more, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you are alerted every time I upload a video. And if you are looking for more fall inspiration, I have it coming, guys. I just don't feel so well at the moment, but I will. I'll get it together. As that little Pillsbury Doughboy says, I'll get it together, I promise. But I just wanted to share this little sneak peek with you. So if you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.